Meaning of impale.
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 Impale. The term impale refers to the act of piercing or penetrating a sharp object, such as a stake or spear, into something or someone's body. The result of impaling something or someone can be very harmful and even deadly, depending on the circumstances. It is often associated with brutal or violent acts, such as torture or execution. The sharp object can cause severe injuries, such as punctured organs, bleeding, and shock. Impalement has been used throughout history as a method of punishment, torture, and even warfare.